What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Come On Big Fish. I'm Derek Connerly, and today we're gonna make some voodoo grilled chicken. So let me take you over here and show you what the ingredients are. Real simple. Soy sauce, voodoo seasoning. I need about half a bottle of soy sauce, probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons of voodoo seasoning. You can use whatever season you like. I mean, I don't have that stuff available for sale yet, but I will eventually. You're gonna need a bowl. All right, y'all, I got enough voodoo seasoning there to cover the bottom of the bowl. Now we're just gonna start adding the soy sauce to it, give it a little bit of a stir. All right, we got the soy sauce in there. I'm just gonna stir it up. Get a good mixture going. And what you can do, you can also take the seasoning and pour it in the bottle of soy sauce and shake it up. And you just pour it over the chicken or pork, whatever you want to marinate. But today I'm doing it this way. All right, we got our chicken in here. As you can see, it's not submerged, it's not covered. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the top on this bowl. Sorry if I'm sniffing a little bit. That voodoo seasoning got in the air and had me sneezing. I'm gonna give it a good shake. Mix it all around so that way it gets covered on everything. And in about 3 hours, we're gonna come back and flip the chicken over so that way everything gets marinated equally. And then this evening, when Miss Stacy gets home, we're going to throw everything on the grill. All right, you see how it looks after the shake? It gets everything everywhere. And again, in 3 hours, we're gonna come back, flip everything over, and do the same thing. All right, y'all, it's been about 3 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip these chicken quarters over. It's like they're starting to soak up pretty good. It's gonna be tasty. I'm gonna put the lid on it, give it a big shake, just like we did last time. Whenever you're working with raw chicken or raw pork or anything like that, you always want to wash your hands before you do anything else, because you don't want to spread it out. Contaminate your other work surfaces. All right, y'all, so it's been about 7 hours in the marinade. We got the fire ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this on here. I'll let it sear real good on the bottom, and then we're gonna flip it over. Sear it on the top, but not too much. We still want the skin to be pretty. Then we're going to pull it off the fire and just kind of let it bake with indirect grilling for a little while. So I just want to let it sit there and let it sear very good. If you go to reach for it and try to pick it up and it sticks, put it back down. Once it releases, then it's time to flip it. As we're still working on that sear, it doesn't matter if it smokes a little bit. That just means it's cooking. Now that one's not stuck, so we're going to move it off and turn it around. Excuse me, we're going to flip it. And we're going to check this piece right here. Oh yeah, it's just about perfect. And don't worry, I know it looks like it's burnt right there, but it's not. That's going to cook down and it's going to even up and be just right. See how this one looks. That one needs to stay there for a little bit longer. And don't worry if it smokes like that. That's normal, not a big deal. All it's going to do is make your neighbors jealous that you're grilling out and they're not. Alright guys, so we got them all seared on both sides and ready to go. And don't worry about that little part right there. It's going to cook up just the same as everything else. It's just that one little part of skin is not seared. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put the lid on. And we're going to put the vent on the opposite side of the fire. So that way the fire's over here, is going to draw the smoke across the chicken and out the vent. Alright y'all, they are getting there. I'm going to rotate them a little bit. Get the, and move them a little bit closer to the fire, because every time I put the lid on, the fire dies and I have to move them back more. take a look and see how it's getting cooked right there. I'm gonna kind of spin it around a little bit. I'm gonna get this in towards the fire and let that cook a little bit more. We're gonna do the same with this one. Yeah, so now it's cooked on this side right there, so we're gonna target on that spot. Sorry about the train. Alright y'all, they are done. I'm gonna get them off the grill here and put them on a plate. Bring them inside so we can get a better look at them. Alright y'all, there they are. Perfectly cooked. Not overdone, not underdone. Like Miss Stacy made her little taters and stuff.
Hey.
I don't know what you call it. I don't, but it's good. It's really good. It's got sweet potatoes. It's got regular potatoes. It's got onions and some other stuff in it. So yeah, it's gonna be good. There it is. All right, one last look at the chicken. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, comment. All right, guys, here it is. The moment of truth. The award-winning barbecue recipe. Let's see if Stacy likes it. Put you on the spot.
Oh no. Put me on the spot.
Put it on the spot.
Very good.
That's
and
perfect.
very juicy.
Perfect. Well, there you go, guys. The simplest and easiest way to grill chicken and have perfect flavor. If you haven't already, excuse me. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, comment, share, and we'll see you on the next one. Come on, big fish.